Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 6 DirectX crashing error code 0X887A0005. Let's fix it guys. Method 1. If you are overclocking your GPU or CPU, then revert back to default settings because this is the major cause of this problem. After disabling it, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2 is to update your graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, you can use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open the AMD Radeon software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After getting update done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. Method 3 is to lower in-game graphics settings. Sometimes your system might struggle with high-end settings. Reducing certain graphics settings can prevent crashes. To do this, you just need to open up Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and go to settings and go to graphics settings and lower these specific settings guys. First one is texture resolution and second one is disable ray tracing and set low the anti-aliasing and set low the shadows, turn off the v-sync. If you are using DirectX 12, try switching to DirectX 11. Apply the changes and restart the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Method 4 is to verify game files and set launch options. To do this, open up Steam and right click on the Black Ops 6 and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting done, you just need to go to general and you just need to check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in on the launch option and just to close stuff here and now you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 5 guys. Method 5, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. If any unnecessary programs running in the background, then just right click on it and select end task. And after closing all unnecessary programs, you just need to close stuff here and launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 6 guys. Method 6 is to reinstall DirectX. The DirectX installation itself may be corrupted. Reinstalling DirectX could fix the issue. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download option. After getting download and install the DirectX and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 7 guys. Method 7 is to increase virtual memory. To do this, go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced. Under virtual memory, select change. Now uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. And after selecting that, you just need to select a custom size. And now you just need to find how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here you can able to see where RAM installed in your PC. In my case, I have 16 GB of RAM. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now check my video description for these values used in my video. Just to copy the value depends on where RAM, installer size and maximum size. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM, so that I copying this value and the maximum size also the same value 16 GB RAM. After copying pasting it, select the set option. Now the values should be listed under the paging file size and now select OK. Select OK and select OK, and now you will get a pop-up message to restart your PC. Select the restart option and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 8 guys. Method 8 is to check for Windows update. An outdated Windows version can cause DirectX related crashes. Ensure your system is fully updated. To do this, go to search menu and type check for updates. Click on open it. Select check for updates, and if you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date, guys. After getting you are up to date, just close off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.